Ever dreamt of raining destruction from afar in Minecraft? Today, we're crafting the ultimate explosive weapon, the TNT Bow. Now, before we get our hands dirty, there are two main paths to achieving this fiery power in Minecraft using commands or mods. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the command-based approach, as it requires no external downloads. First, ensure your world has cheats enabled. The magic behind our TNT Bow lies in a custom command. We'll be using a command block to execute this, which you can get by typing a specific command into your chat. Place this command block down, and this is where the real fun begins. Inside the command block, we need to set up a function that essentially tells the game, when this player shoots an arrow, summon a TNT entity right where that arrow is and then destroy the original arrow. This might sound complicated, but we're essentially giving our arrows the power of TNT. Once the command is correctly entered into the command block, all you need to do is activate it. A common and easy way is with a lever or a button. Now, when you draw your bow and release, instead of a regular arrow, you'll launch a projectile that explodes on impact, creating a satisfying boom. This allows for incredible offensive capabilities. Imagine quickly clearing out monster spawns or creating dramatic entrances for your builds. Just remember to be careful where you aim, as this weapon is incredibly destructive. So, there you have it, a fully functional TNT Bow capable of unleashing serious firepower. Experiment with it, have fun, and let those explosions fly.